For the surface area of the shape, we've got the left and right sides, which are 5 by 7s, so that's 235s or 70. The front rectangle is 10 by 5, which is 50, and is a front and back, so 50 and 50 is 100. The bottom side is 7 by 10, which is 70. The top side is that same 7 by 10 square, but the circle is cut out of the square. So the square, 70, minus the circle, which is pi radius squared. So 70 minus pi times 9, or 70 minus 9 pi. And then the surface area of that bowl is a half sphere, and the area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, 4 great circles. So 4 pi 3 squared, but we only need half of a bowl. So that was 36 pi, and half of 36 pi is 18 pi. So we combine like terms, and we get 310 plus 9 pi, which is the exact answer. And as a decimal, it's an approximate answer, 338.27. All right, what about the volume of this shape? The volume will be, let's come up to the top here, the entire box, and then we'll carve out and throw away the bowl. So the answer for volume is the volume of the box, which is a rectangular prism, minus the volume of a hemisphere. So the area of this base, which is 7 by 10, the height, which is 5, the entire prism has a volume of 350. An entire sphere's volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. And the radius of the sphere is half of the diameter, which is 6, so 3. So 4/3 pi times 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. That's 27. 27 over 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. A half of 36 is 18. 18 pi. The exact answer, 350 minus 18 pi cubic centimeters, is of volume. As a decimal, it's approximately 293.45.